Standard VPNs fail on highly restricted networks. They rely on direct connection protocols that strict firewalls easily recognize and block, leaving you entirely cut off. To evade those blocks, we have to disguise our traffic. We can do this by initializing a raw SSH tunnel and injecting a custom HTTP payload to slip past the firewall filters. You need 3 components to execute this: the HTTP custom Android application, an active set of SSH server credentials, and a verified bug host domain that your network currently allows access to. Follow these steps exactly as outlined. By the end of this session, you will establish a fully encrypted tunnel and bypass your local network restrictions. Step 1 is injecting your pre-provisioned SSH credentials into the application so the client knows exactly where to route your traffic. Here on the main dashboard, look at the empty input field near the top, labeled IP:port @user:pass. This diagram shows the exact syntax. Compile your hostname, port, username, and password into that single line. Do not include spaces. Pay close attention to the precise SSH port authorized by your provider. Failing to format this string perfectly is the primary reason connections are refused. Take a second to double-check your syntax before moving on. With the server targeted, we need to activate the payload mechanics to mask our SSH handshake from the network monitors. Just below the credential field, check the box labeled Use Payload. Next, tap the 3-line hamburger menu icon in the top left corner to open the side drawer. Look under the Utility section and tap on the Payload option. This dialog box displays the standard HTTP GET request syntax. You'll notice the bracketed CRLF tags. These stand for Carriage Return Line Feed. They force the text into the exact shape of a legitimate HTTP request, which tricks the network into authorizing the connection. If your specific local network requires a custom bug host to bypass restrictions, the default payload will fail. Instead, we use the built-in SimpleMaker tool to generate exactly what we need. Open that side menu again and select SimpleMaker at the very top. In this menu, locate the host input field. Delete the www.example.com placeholder and type in your 0-rated bug domain. Below that is the request method dropdown. Select GET if your connection operates on port 80, or select CONNECT if your server requires secure SSL tunneling. Next, open the injection method dropdown and choose Front Inject. This places your payload at the very beginning of the request, yielding the highest success rate. Now, ensure the boxes for Keep Alive, Online Host, and Forward Host are all checked. This maintains continuous telemetry and correctly routes your headers. Under the User Agent dropdown, select a standard browser like Firefox or Chrome. This masks your outgoing traffic profile to look like normal web browsing. Finally, tap the Generate Payload button at the bottom of the screen. SimpleMaker instantly compiles and locks in the exact syntax you need. You've automated the evasion protocol without having to manually code the request. With our credentials verified and our payload compiled, it is time to initialize the system. Back on the main dashboard, confirm that both Use Payload and Enable DNS remain checked on the left side. Hit the Connect button at the bottom of the interface. This action commits your injected syntax and begins the raw handshake through the restricted network. Immediately tap the Log tab at the top of the screen to monitor your live connection telemetry. Watch the terminal output closely. You are looking for connection confirmation messages highlighted in green text, indicating the network bypass succeeded. If the connection is refused, adjust your parameters. Swap your SSH port to an alternative. Change the injection method to WebSocket, or cycle to a different bug host domain in SimpleMaker. Once you see that green confirmation log, your HTTP custom SSH tunnel is active. Your local network restrictions are successfully bypassed, and all of your outgoing traffic is securely encrypted.